I'm aware last time I made a video telling you guys about the power steering issue. I think it's time we address this issue. So in case you are new on the channel, some time ago I made a video on the channel telling you guys that sometimes when I turn, I can hear a whine noise from my power steering, and I believe this is simply because the power steering is dirty, or maybe it's gonna need a complete pump. I'm not sure, but for now it still works. It's not hard. It doesn't seem like it's dying anytime soon, but we decided to give it some fresh maintenance just to give it a bit of life, and hopefully it doesn't die on me. The plan for today is to put new fluid, and I have this particular fluid here. Before we pour that into it, we'll definitely have to drain the previous one out, which is very dirty. It looks more like an engine oil right now. I didn't want to strip out cables, pipelines to drain it from underneath. I mean, it's going to be a hassle. So I decided to buy this pump on Amazon. I've had this before. I bought it the previous winter and it died on me, so I have to buy another one, which is this one. It came in a couple days ago, so this is what we'll be using to drain the fluid out of the vehicle. Online it says this car uses 1.5 liters, I believe, of fluid. We don't have up to 1.5. We have one bottle and then a little bit in the other one, which I doubt if it's up to that quantity. If it's not enough, we will definitely top up and see how it goes. So let's get the job done. Let's go. I believe this will be straightforward because I mean I had one before, so it shouldn't be difficult setting it up. So this one goes there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but just like that. And then we are good to go. So I'll first check where it's sucking from. Yeah, this one is sucking. So the one that is sucking, I'll put it inside the power steering thing. And then I'll put this one inside to get it to go in here, right? This is how much we have. I don't think this is everything that was in the car, honestly. This is supposed to be the power steering. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is why I had to use a transparent container. Look at how dark this thing is. I mean, this is stressing. I'm stressing the pump, the actual pump of the. When I started without fluid and I'm turning the wheels, I'm forcing it to pump things out when there isn't much left, and I don't want to keep doing that for a very long time. So let's run it one more time and see if we will get more. Then after that we can top the other fluid in there, the new one. I'm nowhere a professional mechanic, so if ever you want to use the same procedure that I'm using, be very careful. I'm not going to be responsible. Normally what you need to do is to do it from underneath, take the power steering lines, and then everything will come out. But I don't want to go through that procedure. That's why I'm trying to go with a shortcut version. Be careful whenever you want to do something like this. In as much as this seems like I'm taking the shorter route or I'm taking a shortcut, I don't think this is actually a shortcut. This is more like taking the lines underneath them, because I didn't know it was gonna be this stressful. But yeah, we've taken a few out, and I think this is what we got. Probably a liter, maybe. Yeah, I would say this is about a liter. So now that we've drained most, I hope, maybe we should now put the new one in, and hopefully this will be enough to get my car running good. So this one is very little. um, According to this, I think this is like a liter or so. Funny enough, I've had this for about a year, if not more than a year, and see how it goes. Oh, I didn't know I used this too. Oh. So now I'm gonna start the car so it can just flow into the lines. Not too bad, not too bad at all. So now that I've actually filled up the new one into it, I'll let it run for a couple minutes, and then after that I'll take it for a drive so everything can clean, go through it. And I'm still going to clean the oil mess that I made, but I also, this one that I just poured into the power steering line, I'm not going to use it for too long. I'll probably run this for about a couple kilometers, and then I will still change this one and put a fresh one as well. I don't even know how long this has been without a new oil, so it will definitely need some cleanup. So I'm gonna flush this out after a couple drives and then put a fresh one, and I believe that should be the final one for the car. Like the video, share the video, and hey, once again, I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just doing this because I felt this is another possible way that I can go about it. I'm not sure about you. Maybe you might do it, it might not go well for you. So please be very careful when doing this. Stay safe, drive safe, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.